Hey, good morning YouTube. This is a test video. I'm hoping this thing uploads today because I'm getting very frustrated with it not uploading. This is like take 4 with Screencast-O-Matic. I don't know why it's not uploading. But anyway, hey, how are you guys? I hope you're having a great Friday. It is Friday, April 22nd. So we're just going to do a test video. But I want to see what the deal is and why it's not uploading. So we're going to go a little bit further because I do have a little bit of time before I get started working. You girls have been quite busy here lately and been playing around in Canva a lot, in PowerPoint, doing a lot of private label rights, as you see on my YouTube, which I've been just hosting them there just for the sake of having somewhere to host it. And so with that noted, we're going to go ahead and dive right in because I don't like fluff, I don't do fluff, and let's get it going. Oh, anywho, if I sound a little bit aggravated, I am because of the fact that Screencast-O-Matic has been having a whole lot of issues and I don't like wasting my time. I did, of course, figure out that was not the correct PDF up there. This is what I want to show you guys today. So, disregard my rambling on and on about Screencast-O-Matic and having issues not uploading. Because, of course, with me going on and on, you know this one's going to be the one that takes. Because that is my entire luck, usually. But anyway, you're going to go and click on Import File. For this handy dandy trick that I have learned, we're going to go to my Mother's Day planner. It's a 41-page planner that I actually have listed in a bundle. I'll try to leave that link down below for you guys. If you want to go and buy it for $5, you can use it to help fill your Etsy store or wherever you happen to sell online. You can keep tweaking it around, changing it. You can change it from Mother's Day to Father's Day to 4th of July. All kinds of fun stuff there. So we're going to give it just a moment to get through uploading. Because of course now I've done this 3 times. And also when you upload a PDF, guess what? Everything becomes editable. I'm going to close out of that handy dandy survey. You can now change this font around if you wish. You can change it to Father's Day Planner. You can change it to whatever you want to. If you can spell like I cannot. Happy Father's Day. We're going to take that, highlight it. We're going to change it to a different color here. I'm going to delete her even though she's pretty. Okay, so if this is not the first time that, let's say it's the first time that you've uploaded this to Canva, what I always suggest that you do is go over here to make a copy, and that way you have your copy that you don't have to keep downloading from me, which is fine if you do. I don't mind. That's mine come from me a year ago, just the other day, so that was awesome. You can upload that and do whatever you want to with it. Happy Father's Day if you want to try to add the dude right there sitting on the dock fishing. If you can do it, I couldn't do it myself, but if you want to, you can. And then, of course, you can go through here and change that out to whatever you want it to be. Let's say Happy Father's Day. I did actually wind up changing that to have the asterisk there, because I know some of you guys may go, you misspelled something. It doesn't matter. Unless I go to sell it, then it does matter. Which I did correct it before I listed it, so there you go. A Happy Father's Day. I do have Best Dad Ever. I grabbed that off of Creative Fabrica. If you're not familiar with Creative Fabrica, you can actually go to Creative Fabrica, or Fabrica, as some people call it. I don't care what you call it whatever you want to. We're going to go for Father's Day bundle, but that's just going to have some other sayings there, so put in clip art if that's what you're looking for. You might find some clip art there. I didn't really see too much. Also, I'm going to search for Father and Son and see if that does it. There you go. There's some stuff there for you. Or if you want to do fathers and daughters, you can download this if you already have the membership, which I do at $19 a month. So you can just go ahead and grab that and download it. Then if you want to go ahead and upload it to your Canva, you can do that too. I always like to look to see what else the artist actually has. If she does have some really nice stuff, I think I've used those frames before. Most people have downloaded that. Pretty little flowers of just whatever you happen to be looking for. You can come up here and search for it, of course, and then you can go over here to Canva, upload it, use it however you want to. So let's see, I've done this like several times already, but you can come through here, delete your stuff. I'm not sure why it puts that in the background. I didn't put it there in the other one there, but if you want to change that around, you can. And once again, I don't know why it does the dates like that. That's just so funky. Take that out, and the easy way to fix. Change that to the dates. There is my timer here in a little bit. Sorry guys. Got to run and get to work here in just a minute. Which I can do that since it's upstairs. But I've got to get some stuff together to take upstairs. I was able to get out and enjoy my walk today. I haven't done that in quite a while. I had a weird pair of Nikes though that one hurt my foot on the right foot, on the left foot, but did not hurt it on the right foot. Like, that's just strange. But I didn't want to keep changing shoes and wasting my walking time. I wanted to go ahead and get it done. That should be over here for Thursday. But you get the drift. You can go through there and change it however you want to. And just because I'm running low on time, I also want to show that you can change that to PowerPoint. Some people may not know that you can. I like to list my stuff at both PowerPoint. I'm being the idiot apparently there. Okay. Not download either. Oh, because I'm in a hurry now at this point. There we go. Disregard my horrible singing. I know I can't sing. Yes, the hair's getting very long. Need my Lindsay magic, which is going to happen later on this weekend. I can't wait for that. It's actually been like 5 months since I've been to her. And colors held out pretty well, but y'all don't want to see my gray either, so your girl's got some gray, but not a whole lot. Of course, I always do it in the wrong angle there. But anyway, I digress. There you go. You can have it, that downloaded again. And then I will leave my handy dandy link. We're going to go ahead and end this YouTube recording. And you guys have a great weekend. And I'm going to hope this takes. See you later. Bye.